I remember like my hands hurt packing up my tent, like touching those metal poles, like it fucking hurt. Yeah, I'm trying to say he's a woodsman.
I am a woodsman.
Yeah.
That's right. Hang on, bro. Let me get you.
Anybody else have to get up and pee last night?
Not
I
me.
did at midnight.
I did.
Ooh, got whiskey in there. Shit.
That's awesome. That makes it well worth spending like $6 on this and $10 on that, you know? Or is that $10 or $6? Yeah. This is how we do it.
Coffee good. Hell yeah.
This is how we do it.
That'll do me.
Scooby, dooby, doo. Just tell them what you got. It's coffee time in Colorado.
Man. Some wood or something.
There's a fire down there.
We get charcoal this evening. We can pick up some wood.
Yeah, the gas station was probably about
Or just check some more camp. Yeah.
Horn and fishing.
Fuck yes, I did.
Trace, you need to get you a chainsaw. Away from the water.
Oh,
You can go further and talk later after you can stuff, 'cause I think right here is probably too close to camp, but I'm just not hanging on.
You caught some right here?
No, down
Back
there.
there, he
I
nailed
caught
3.
I caught 2 more right there. And
I said, God dang.
What kind of bugs are these hatching things? What kind of shit fly? He said this is weak sauce to what that guy did. He does.
like makes me run.
Just as reference.
All things with the,
That's how steep it is.
10-foot rod.
Sneak up on them real nice like.
Jet skis of the mountains.
Right?
Good luck.
So you sold on the
I think the
other side.
paper's in Chase's truck on the back left.
Frank's like this funny.
It's really low. See how it jumps over there? See all the color on the rocks?
Yeah.
The hot spring thing happened.
Step right there real quick. You can see the difference. You feel it? I'm going for it.
You're the last one to get in, I'm pointing out.
Woo! Oh my gosh. That's a little chilly.
Twice as full.
Very cold. Very cold. Frank, go right here. It's warm. It's nice.
Yeah, if you get the overflow.
That's so hot right
But
there.
in the winter,
Oh no, you can't.
Jason go back to Houston, never make a baby if he said his nuts now.
Oh yeah.
feels good on your feet.
Yeah.
Man, it doesn't go farther. Like right here, my
Yeah.
left foot's cold already.
Yep. Cheers, Debbie. Excuse me. Sorry, YouTube.
YouTube.
Here on YouTube. There was a tale. Last night here in the San Juan National Forest. Great few days here. Jeffrey Green's over there on the fire. Called Country Kidlin. Hashtag Campfire Ambassador. Frank and Chase left us to go fishing. That's where I pooped earlier.
That Knob Creek gonna set it off.
Knob Creek gonna set it off. I do love Knob Creek. Frank, I remember you introduced me to Knob Creek. We were young. I think you were like.
I'm condemned, just like all my worthless friends, waiting on the wind to set us free. Well, the depth that I've been after, all the booze and all the laughter, I guess that's just what makes us who we are.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a good steak.
That looks good, dude.
Jeff won't eat it.
Looks good.
Oh, never
Yeah,
mind.
it looks good from this angle.
Jeff ain't gonna eat it.
Perfect. Perfect. I mean,
That shit's good. Pork up with this.
Leaving the camp. Good trip, boys. Good trip. Bomb's exposed. What you eating there, Frankie?
little peanut butter cookie.
Those things are great. We survived.
Lenny and Larry's.